Hello and welcome to today's segment of our YouTube video series where we discuss scholarship for international students. In this video, we will take a look at Ton Duc Thang University Graduate Scholarship in Vietnam for Vietnamese and international students to study on a fully funded scholarship. So this video will entail you to apply for admission at the university, in which I'm going to show you all you need to do and how to apply for the scholarship application. Meanwhile, if this is the first time of coming across our video, do ensure you like this video, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you can receive subsequent videos like this. Now let's dive into the scholarship properly. This scholarship is currently open and applicants will be studying in Vietnam on a fully funded scholarship, and it is only open to graduate programs. The university has opened admission for interested applicants to submit a one-time application for either master's or Ph.D. program. There are some selected courses that you can apply to and then proceed to apply for the scholarship. So I'm going to show you a very elaborate process where you can submit your application, and then hopefully you become one of the candidates who is going to partake in this scholarship. It is a full funding scholarship which will cover full tuition fee, accommodation, and other expenses that will be incurred. At TDTU, they helps in creating an enabling environment for academic excellence and also research experience. So let's take a look at the scholarship details. So this is country is Vietnam, and then the host is the Ton Duc Thang University. It covers a full tuition fee. Don't worry about the partial funded here. Then the level is master's and Ph.D, and then the number of scholarship is not specified. International students can apply for this scholarship in all parts of the world, quite alright, but Vietnamese are also open to apply for this scholarship. However, before we take a look at the scholarship application process, let's go through this eligibility requirements together, although this is also being specified on the official scholarship website, in which I'm going to show you in the course of this video. So ensure you watch up to the end and then submit your one-time application. Note that it doesn't require you to apply with an application fee. So once you meet the eligibility requirements and also the course requirement, then you can submit your application, and then hopefully you become one of the selected candidates. So as you can see on your screen, we have international students from all countries are eligible. Then there's proof of English language certificates, and these are the requirements. Then applicants must have completed bachelor programs for masters or masters for advanced PhD program. Just like I told you earlier, there are some selected courses in which the university open scholarship application for. So if one of these courses is in your field, then you are good to go and can be able to apply. So let's take a look at the list of courses. For masters, we have the accounting, applied mathematics, automation and control engineering, We have the applied arts, electrical engineering, finance and banking, computer science, chemical engineering, civil engineering, and others that are being specified on this list here. For doctoral degree program, we have the accounting, business administration, computer science, civil engineering, we have the computational science, and the electrical engineering. So we have few selected courses for doctoral programs which are eligible for scholarships. Just like I told you, this scholarship is fully funded, and then it also covers research publications in case you are applying for a research programs. So I'm just going to visit the official scholarship website. Meanwhile, to access this current web page you are seeing on your screen, all you need to do is to click the link in the description of this video, and it will refer you to this page so that you can access the apply link and the official website for the scholarship. Once you are ready to apply, click on the apply link and it will redirect you to this web page. Once you are ready to apply, click on the apply link and it will redirect you to this page where you can begin your registration. But before you begin your registration, let's look at the official website. Once you click on the official website, it will redirect you to this page, which is the admission page for the Ton Duc Thang University, a public university with autonomy and international affiliation. So this is the admission website, and all you need to do is for you to scroll down. You can check the list of doctoral programs here by reading more. You can also check the list of master's program here by clicking on the read more. So we are interested in the apply for scholarship. So once you click on apply for scholarship, it will redirect you to this page. So here is what you need to do. As you can see, you can refer to these programs here too, or you can refer to the master programs also here too, to confirm if the course you want to apply for scholarship is available and eligible for the application. So here we need to check the steps and then follow this step. This is where you need to pay attention. So if you are enjoying this video, hit the like button and then subscribe to this YouTube channel. Step 1 requires you to click on the apply now button. This is for international students and this is for Vietnamese students. So once you click the international link here, let's access it together. It will take you to this page, which all you need to do is just sign up. This is where you begin your registration by entering your email, verify the email, password, verify the password captcha, and then you sign up. So after that, you'll be provided with the login details where you begin your registration by uploading all your required documents. Let's see other information that will be important. So after applying now, the second thing you need to put at the back of your mind is that you need to submit some document. Here is the application form, the online submission, which is this page. So all you need to do is sign up and then include all your details, then log in and begin your registration. and begin filling your personal information on the page and also document requirement. You can also play this video.
Now let's continue with our online submission. First, you'll be required to sign up. After you write in all the necessary information and the CAPTCHA, and click on the Sign Up button, you'll automatically have an account. Here's an example. After you have successfully created an account, you'll see the Add New Form button. After clicking on the Add
So
New...
this video is self-explanatory. So you need the application form, just like I showed you. You need the curriculum vitae based on the TDTU format. So once you click on the TDTU format, you will see how they specify you to prepare your CV. Then you need the original copy of your bachelor, original copy of your bachelor certification and transcript, then statement of purpose, you have the copy of passport, the reference letter, you have the photograph which is 3 by 4 centimeter, you have health check reports, English language proficiency, bank guarantee, and then the criminal record within the last 6 months. Here the statutory offer, scholarship are offered depending on the academic result. So here is the criteria to be qualified for fully funded scholarship. So according to this, we have the GPA which is 3.6 and above. You will be qualified for 100% scholarship. Right? If the GPA is 3.4 and then below, you'll be qualified for 50% scholarship, and GPA 3.2, you'll be qualified for 25% scholarship. That means the university is offering those with a first class, second class upper, and second class lower a scholarship opportunity depending on their academic results. So here are the master's program eligible for 100% scholarship. All you need to do is to access the link. Once you access the link, it will display the list of the programs. Here is for those who are not eligible for 100% scholarship. You can access the link here. So as you can see, those with 100% scholarship, here is the criteria for 100% scholarship, in which you must meet. You must be good in English, all subjects must be passed. You have GPA of master's program above 3.6, graduate from university in top 1000, graduated from university ranking in top 1000 university of THE or QS or URAM or ARWU ranking. This is the scholarship value. It also provides dormitory, which is accommodation. Then majors taught in Vietnamese. So this is the scholarship value. This is the enrollment. It will provide an enrollment fee, and then this is the dormitory value. So this is for those who are eligible, the criteria for those who are eligible for 100% scholarship. For 50% you can access this link, and for 25% you can access this link. So, but the main process is for you to apply is, once you access this link, for Vietnamese students you can apply through this link. For international students, apply through this link. Then you begin your registration on the sign up page, in which a video description has been made already close to the sign up section. So all you need to click is the sign up. But to confirm your master's and doctoral programs, just click on master's here. Okay, let's click on the doctoral programs here. Here is the list of doctoral programs. There are just 5 in numbers. One for masters. Once we click on the masters link, to take you to the applications when you can submit your application. It's from January 21st to May 10th, 2025, which is also applicable for Ph.D. programs. So these are the list of major for masters. So if any of these programs are of your interest, then you can submit an application, as only few majors are eligible for this scholarship. So these are the requirements. Ensure you meet the requirements, and then these are the documents that is requested. You need a statement of purpose, likewise of not less than 500 words, and then other documents required. So here is the international student commitment form. For those applying for master's program, you need this, while for doctoral program it is not really necessary. So remember, once you click on the international student link, it will refer you to this page, and then you click on sign up now, and then begin your process to apply for admission and then scholarship. Thank you for watching up to this end of the video. See you in our next one.